Undaba mlonyeni uNtokozo Khazi laphana ke ozakhela udumo ngeingubo ke ezithe ukuhluka kanti ke lezi ngubo zaziwa njengohlobo lweingubo egqokwa abantu abamanika noma ke ngolimo lwaseGoli kuthiwa ke amanika. Sawona kuphina kuphi la funya khona lombuso njengamanje ubungalela uyena Mathinda Gcilza intombi ngiqomela amehla akhe abanye sebaqomela imali thiwazi. Engenza kwethu uNtokozo Khazi laphana ke osephenduka ihla enkundleni zokuxhumana abantu bahleka njalo mangabe bebona impahla epostayo usuku nosuku lokho kulandela ibhizinisi akadluleka muva nje le mpahla iyomekhweqe mangabe bechazela abantu uyasho ukuthi ke lezi impahla exclusive lapha ke la eSouth Africa impahla ke custom made njengoba ke ezenzela kodwa ke uyaye asho ukuthi abantu bazoyithola kena mangabe beyifuna impahla ke exclusive ngokusezingeni ngaphandle nje komusho sakho umntwana sekhaya akhona ama video akho uNtokozo Khazi la khona echaza mayelana nempahla egqokwayo kanye ke nama price akuyikhona ukuyehlekisa abantu kakhulu kuyeke kube impahla noma ke inani asuke elibiza mangabe ke edayisa impahla mangabe chaza ke inhloso yakhe yena ukuthi izinto azibiza njengoba ke kusuke kuyizinto ezisuke zenzile kanti futhi kusuke ngazona impahla ezisuke ziwuvanzi kodwa ke kusuke kuyizimpahla osuke uzoyo order ebese uyayithola ngokwekhethelo sana sizathu ke esibuye senze ukuthi abantu bedideke kakhulu mangabe ke esho ama price kakhulukazi lapha ke inkundleni zokuxhumana ngaphandle kokumusha isikhathi sakhe singene kona ama video uzwele enye inkulumo zaNtokozo echaza mayelana nempahla zakhe.
Selithambeme ngokusemthethweni it's a Monday bafowethu sekunjalo bengithi ngizonixolela namhlanje bengithi ngizonixolela ngedrip ngathi na man why should I bo yasha leyo mpahla kunjalo ke bafowethu kusile ekseni kunje hayi selithambele awuqale phansi. Start from the bottom. I am a guza swaye go diesel. You need to start making me ama boots manje. Some shoes as a match this vibrant off team. Before to these are one of one outfits. You won't find them anywhere like South Africa. No mangabu bano kwazi ukuthunga. I challenge you. Try and do this. You won't succeed. I'm the only one who rocks this thing. So let 2 PC. There's only 3 units available in South Africa, and then from there, le cap, these are facelift series. Unfortunately, there is only 2 units are available for Lama cap. So as per cap, we're asking 3,000. There is only 1 cap available. There is this one, then Nenye Father now. Just only 2. Le I'm keeping it. Then there is one for sale at 3,000 rands. Uma ngabe ufuna ukorder awungifonela ungixoxela indaba or lo ngibuza into eziningi usondele eduze ifashion akufakwa ama deposits la usondele eduze ubona into esiyidayisayo sikhulume nawe sithatha ama measurements bese siyakorder leyo kulo ngifama questions awu 1000 or ungitshela ukuthi empahleni angiede lokhu ngiyeke lokho awenzi lokho impahla ngidayisa zinje unless wena ufuna sikwenzele impahla yakhe custom made but if order lezi awu lokhu ngifonela uthi ku jacket angiede ama brick pads ayisebenzi kanjalo adala siyasebenza madoda. By the way, asenzi yona i-comedy show siyasebenza bafowethu la lokho kufuna ne-understand so ungangifonela ungifoyelele ukungiphuphela iyo le there's just one of one lama outfits lawa ama giggles lawa don't worry I can make them for you. I'll just only make 2 units so it's 1 unit it means there is only 3 units are available in South Africa and these clothes I'll also do an authenticity certificate on them. That's so ama price let's just give them the prices for recap bafowethu ngicela 3,000 angishonga ukuthi 2,900 ngithe 3,000 if une 2.8 or une 2.9 don't even bother to call me for these caps. I want 3,000 ama giggles lawa we can make them. These ones are made to order within 2 days we can get it done for you. Kunama giggles bafowethu sicela u3,000 if awuna u3,000 uyeke mfowethu uyabona and then la 42 piece le let's just ask them a young 15,000 just for a 2 piece le we asking a young 15,000 rands. Awumoshela isikhathi angijahanga bafowethu mawufuna ukorder budget ungathi wena unamalini angifuni ukwazi unamalini mina ngifuna uzuzothenga la uyayibona leshandisi landa ngishi network asilahleki la iGPS ya connect uyabona so awungifonela ungixoxela ukuthi unamalini angifuni ukwazi indaba ze account yakho mawungifonela ngifonele ngoba ufuna ukuthenga lezi zinto if usikhuluma ngeimpahla you only call me for the ones I have that's all uyabona. So ungangifoneli wenze funny business. I'm not a comedian. Ngiyabona khona nabanye umuntu akakufonela akufonela ukukuphuphela uyabona. Njengomunye kade ethi angieda ama brick pad ku jacket. How can I do that? Asisangani bafowethu siyasebenza la uyabona. We're making a statement and this is serious business. We're not making jokes la uyabona. So if uza ngengqondo ama jokes please don't bother us. Ngale kwalokho selithambeme bafowethu siyabonga.
Go.
Aye, we super outside, you know what I'm saying? The city's in danger, man. Don't come to Maboneng if you're not dangerously safe, you know what I'm saying? Check who I just downloaded today.
Oh laba fowethu hayi niyazi kunje namhlanje kunje bafowethu bathi fashion expression siyazi express abafethu best expressions you can get la eMzansi amajita it's one of one pieces there.
You know what I'm saying, son? I've been wearing this t-shirt like 300 years, so you know what I'm saying? I've been having it like 300 years ago and I'm still alive, you know what I'm saying? Never dies, man. You know what I'm saying, son? Yeah, outside. Only in Maboneng. You won't get this in Jupiter, you won't get it in Mars, you won't get it in Venus. It's only in Maboneng, man, you know what I'm saying?
Now then.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying, son?
Then bafethu to get these pieces if une interest you don't call me for these pieces uzala eMaboneng zikhona vele hip hop gang skinny leaks Maboneng hip hop cargo uzala for this piece nama amanye ama pieces amazoba khona la so uyazi bafethu kuhamba kanjani siyaphanta bafethu usesipaneni sakho na ku laptop nathi bafethu siyasebenza yabo so hayi no lithambeme umthengisa kebe business into zakhe sharp
We also
sithobeke sibingelele kuba fowethu selithambeme ngokusemthethweni njengamanje ngifisa ukuthi bafowethu sixoxeni ngezimpahla okunye asikiyekeni asisikhulumeleni nje ngeimpahla siqala kuyidelela ayibona idelela yami ukuthi njani buka i-detailing yakhona uyayibona lento le i-red stitching buka i-detailing yale delela ngifuna ungitshele mawuqeda ukuthi uke wayibona kubani idelela yami le uyayibona idelela yami le uyayibona ukuthi njani uzongitshela ukuthi kwayibona kubani and then from there size kule jacket ekade beyiqede ekade siqede asilalanga bafothe ebusuku silungisa lezi impahla size kule jacket le ekade ngiyenza this jacket it's a one of one ilokhu njana it's a one of one nalelo khunjana liyanetha bafothe izulu but we hustle sisebenza noma linetha bafethu asinamahloni ola asinamahloni bafothe umsebenzi wethu lo le jacket is a one of one ilokhu njana idelela it's a one of one for le delela sicela u10,000 rands then for le jacket sicela u18,000 rands izoba njalo bafuthu mina ngikuchargela ukuthi into uwekuphela ozoba nayo and obviously ngiaware akusiwonke umuntu ozothanda lezinto ebantwini abawu100 mhlamba abantu abawu10 kuphela abantu abaqonda istatement ukuthi ifashion istatement ifashion inkululeko yilabo abazo understand nabanye futhi bafowethu basazogcina beunderstand mina ngiyazi nizogcina nizithanda lezi impahla uyabo lezi impahla nisazoyithanda so bafowethu namhla imi kanje and then it means mangabe unginika u25,000 rands then sesingakhuluma ngekhombo yelokhunjana yedelela kanjalo ne jacket bafowethu ngiyaqonda ukuthi abaningi vela angeke kuyenza ingqondo uyabona untokozo bafowethu hayi ukuthi ekhanda la ngiphazamisekile bafowethu umsebenzi lo uyabona nawe uvuka ekseni usebenze ubusuku bonke asilalanga bafowethu mhlambe nibonile by 1 o'clock ebusuku 2 3 ebusuku bengingalele sikhandalezini ziyalunga namhlanje ekseni sesiqedile ke this is the look of the day selithambeme ilanga today is the Wednesday or Thursday
This Wednesday.
Today it's a Wednesday.
Let me confirm. It's Tuesday.
Oh, it's a Tuesday. Nakho ke bafowethu on a Tuesday ngicela ukuthi mfowethu ukhethe iyomekhweqe uyiqokele iyomekhweqe njengoba nje sibambisene ukhumbule bafowethu nofuna ukudesignelwa impahla maybe une occasion khona la uyakhona sinayo leyo service we can offer you that service any impahla oyifunayo anything you want to duplicate something ufuna ukuthi sikwenzele anything uthi let's be creative no we on bafowethu sizokwenzela ukhululeke nje mfowethu kuumsebenzi wethu lokho and then yeah hayi ilana nje indaba namhlanje indaba namhlanje bafowethu ngabaningi bathi angiphazamisekanga bafowethu ekhanda this is creativity at its best mangabe umuntu mina ngikhuluma ngento ongakazi uyibone kumuntu oyiqala kimi uyigcina kimi how many minutes are we in there let's stop it siyabonga.